Hi there, I'm Jewel. Welcome back to my channel, Style Lady Forever. Today we're going to talk about IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is fairly new on the market. I got it at the shopping channel. I got two for 39 Canadian. And is it hot or not? This is the packaging. It's supposed to give you volume, length, super elastic stretch, doesn't damage your lashes, and it keeps them soft. So I'm going to show you. I have nothing on my eyes right now. This is the tube. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. This is the brush. So I'm going to show you. There's nothing on my lashes right now. And you just place it at the bottom and glide upwards. You can use as many coats as you want. Your lashes stay soft. It's easy to remove. I find just go slow and glide up, and you can wiggle. And just glide it. And that's one coat. You can see the difference. You can put on as many as you like. And turn it around and do the other eye. It's easy to remove. You can put on another coat later on in the day, but just glide it and wiggle up. Take your time. And put it back in the tube. So I find you only really need one coat during the day. You can add another coat. Your lashes stay soft and malleable. I find it's very much like the Unique mascara, only you don't have to add fibers on top, but better value and easily accessible. So I'm giving it 5 stars. I think it's hot and I love it, and I recommend you try it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you to make a decision on whether you should get superhero, have your lashes superhero and really pretty and good for you during the day. Be beautiful.